I put together a little bit of a how-to, folks, with regards to the clone video I made on CapCut yesterday, and it's a means to help you guys out and obviously help myself out, because we can collaborate and get feedback on what might be going wrong, what we can improve on. You know, if someone else is trying to do the same thing, you know, it's the way forward, folks, because we can watch as many of these professionals do these video edits, but until we start getting hands on ourselves, you know, we'll never improve. So I leave this one with you. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it helps you out. If it does, drop something in the comments, folks. Like and follow for more.
I just want to lay some more meat on this clone effect in CapCut, folks, because I have seen a numerous amount of clone effects out there, but I haven't seen many where the actual original audio was utilized in the clone. Okay, and what I've done here is I've made two recordings. This first one you can see here, I recorded myself pretending to talk to my clone with pauses in between, with me looking in the direction of the clone, you know, with a rehearsal done prior, so I knew roughly how long to pause for. All right, and what I did with that then was I uploaded it and played it on my laptop through the television in the background. So then when I made the second recording, which I've overlaid here, I was then able to talk to the recording, which I'm doing now, and that kept the pauses down to a minimal, and it made the recording a lot cleaner. And I think there was only one little 2-second pause I had to take out, and that kept any jumpy, you know, cuts that I had to do down to an absolutely bare minimum, because that would make it a lot less cleaner. And I'm sure there's probably better ways of doing it, but this one here, it just seemed so obvious whenever I figured it out. Let's just talk to the actual recording in the background, because what I'm doing here is I'm actually trying to line the two up, because I can hear the background and then you can hear me. Once they're lined up, it just sounds bang like the one person.
Oh, how you going, bud? You alright? Oh, you doing the best, mate? How you going? Oh, sorry.
All that left me to do then was clean the video up and get both people sitting next to each other, utilizing the CapCut mask tool, as you can see now. And all I'm going to do then is use the rectangle mask and mask out the person on the left, so that the background's cut out, but they're actually the thing that's sitting next to the original recording, as you can see now. And the only thing that had to be cleaned up, folks, was the right hand side of this rectangle. It did a really minute color difference on the sofa that we were sitting on, and on the mask effect you can actually drag a little set of arrows and blend that in slightly. In this section you can actually see the line, folks, really slightly up the middle, and we'll utilize those arrows to actually pull, you know, the mask effect across and blend it. So to blend using the mask, folks, I had to just tip the rectangle upside down, because the two little arrows I mentioned about are on one side of it only. But once you get that there squared away, you'll be able to see how it's able to blend, you know, any like lines between the edges of your mask effect in with the overlay video that you're working with. Those two arrows on the right hand side, you just pull those out and it allows you to blend. So that's me trying to line up the rectangle now as best I can into the middle and pull it across, and you can see the color changing. You just need to be careful that you don't actually blur out your clone, otherwise you'll be able to see the settee behind them and they'll look slightly invisible. So it's a little bit of tweaking just to get it right. As you can see here now, folks, I've got the blend quite well done with the mask, and you can't see the line in between the two people.
I wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.